Okay, now when you are clicking to the OK button, you can see that Kadam author and when he's made it is everything ready, isn't it? So this is exactly we can made that as the author. After that, right now, guys, if you have the means this is different we made it as the title, right? And each title page we have the different images are there, and I want to directly navigate in that image, and where exactly is what I want to make a proper list also for that particular images. So how we can do? Simply what I'm doing, in every page I'm putting right now images. Okay, suppose I'm going to the over here and I'm putting one image. Okay, in home. Okay, in insert I'm checking one picture. Okay, from stock. Okay, let me take this picture as the over here hands. Okay, now that picture is downloading. Okay, the hand picture is over here. Okay, let me reduce the size. We don't want this much of big picture. Okay, now you can see the hand picture is over here, and just we are going to the, okay, when we are clicking in this picture. Okay, after that we need to go to the reference. Okay, when we are going to the reference, see over here we have the caption tab are over here. Okay, so when we are clicking to the caption, okay, now see the figure number one. So I want to say this figure number one about to the hands. Okay, I gave to the name and just say okay. Now see the label I'll create. Now again I'm creating to the another one. Okay, over here maybe. Okay, in over here in next page I'm making that. So I'm taking another one picture, insert. I'm taking picture from internet. Okay, from stock, which one we available. Okay, suppose I'm taking to the anyone like a box. Okay, I'm clicking that and just saying insert. Okay, this is very big image. I want to reduce the size. Okay, now see, I'm going to the again back to the our references. Now I want to use the caption for that. I'm clicking on the caption figure number two. I'm saying what? Box. And I'm just saying okay. So right now figure number two what? Box. Let's add the third image over here. Okay, third image over here we are adding. Going to the inside of the. Okay, before that, I want to take the image first, insert after that picture and stock image. Okay, now let's take one image, a clock one. Okay, insert. See, clock image I have. I am reducing the size. Okay, now first selecting this picture, after that going to the references, and over here we have the option insert caption. Click on the insert caption and add that the caption is called the clock. Complete, and now say the okay. Right now I added the clock, I added over here to the box, and I added over here to the one hands. Okay, so let's, I want to make a proper for like that. Okay, I want to make like a proper table over here. Just go to the over here, and after that in reference group I want to click on insert a table of a figure. Okay, when we are clicking over here, insert table of a figure, now you can see they are they are showing that you want like that. Okay, I want like that, and say the okay. Now you can see it is showing what? Figure number one hands. Where is second page? Where is the figure number two? In the box, page number three. And where is the clock? Where is the page number four? So we can use that, we can add the references for your different pages or titles or videos or like that. Okay, so we can do that. So let me stop over here recording. In the next section we can learn the mailing. Okay,